I want to talk to you today about template install checklists. What y'all need to do to prepare for us to come by and have a smooth process. First of all, what's first? Template, right? I can't cut without actually making a template of your kitchen. In some cases, measurements. In other cases, it's actually a physical template we have to make. Therefore, the prep items that we need from you guys, and we would appreciate if you guys help us out, clear off all the countertops. Clear off all these countertops so that we can get a really, really good measurement from point A, B, all the way down. Follow this point right here to this point right here. Those are the points we need perfectly accurately, whether it's a physical, actual template or measurements, so I can go back to my shop, cut this stuff efficiently, come back and install it. In addition to that, we talked about things like what overhang do you want right here. We'll go over what the maxes are. We'll try to isolate what you like. All we need from you is say things like, is it gonna be 10 inches? Is it gonna be 8 inches? It's a pretty good 90-degree angle. But in other people's houses that are maybe more traditional, they actually want this to be pretty round, right? So you can walk by it really easily and not have a sharp point. Materials-wise, if you're buying a new faucet, and most people do, I need you to have your faucet purchased ahead of time. And also, tell us items you want to use in the faucet. Tell my installer specifically, I only want to use this faucet head and not the soap dispenser. If I do, and I want the soap dispenser here, I want it here. You know, you're the boss, and the more you can think about those things up front, the smoother the install will go for everybody. The other item, which is optional, really, is taking the items in the drawers, just take them out and put them away. Imagine this gone, right? Old stuff's gone, installing the new stuff. It's very heavy. We're pushing in place. It's grinding on the top of the cabinet and producing sawdust that falls into the space. There's actually voids here, right? In between the drawers where sawdust can come in, and definitely in the top of the drawers, and coat all of your stuff with a thin veil of sawdust. Last thing is, if you have a cooktop, which this customer did not, this is a freestanding stove. Let's say it's a cooktop that comes into your actual countertop. We'd have to have it here to actually, the physical cooktop here, to cut out perfectly on site at the install and fit it to make sure it works, right? We don't cut off with dimensions off a cut sheet. It can be inaccurate, it can lead to a wrong cut that can't be replaced. So we just need that physical cooktop here as well. So all those things are things just to think about, plan for, even write down if you want, and just have it so when we show up, we can come in, get it done in 45 minutes, and walk away with really accurate information and measurements.